Well, we get to do stuff the way we want to, not how the teacher would have taught us if we were just doing like normal, not personalized learning. So we can learn at our own pace. Yeah, it's much easier to do it, so you're not always having to learn stuff that you've already learned. It's more exciting because you don't have to it's exciting because you can do more things, and you're not always working with some person that you were assigned. Like, you can work with other people. There are other people, and you can always there's usually a person to ask a question to if the teacher's not available, because they've already passed that standard on the chart. So it's just more exciting. It's for everything to do because you're not always having to talk to the teacher if you need to learn anything. I like to learn quick and fast.
Okay.
I don't like to stay in one thing for a long time. Me. We're kind of in charge of our own learning. We don't have to pick. We can pick whatever standard we want, but in the different categories. Once you've been doing it for a while, then sometimes you'll think, okay, I've got this. So you can do a standards mastery, or you can just meet with the teacher. I usually do a standards mastery. I think I learn best when I get to go at my own pace, not really slow.
Yeah.
I like going fast.
Okay.
Because then I don't have to stay on something for as long. If you don't know about how you learn, you're not going to know how you learn best.